Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Marvel Rivals on PC. First, ensure your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Next, navigate to the official Marvel Rivals website and download the game client. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. This easy method gets you ready to play quickly. After installation, you'll need to create a new Marvel Rivals account or log in with an existing one. Once your account is ready, launch the game directly from the desktop shortcut or through your game client. Before jumping into a match, take a moment to adjust your in-game settings. Optimizing graphics and controls now will significantly enhance your initial gameplay experience. To ensure the best possible performance, always keep your graphics drivers updated to their latest version. This can provide significant improvements. Also, close any unnecessary background applications running on your PC, as they can consume valuable system resources. Finally, fine-tune your in-game graphics settings to achieve a consistent and smooth frame rate, balancing visual quality with performance. If you encounter any issues, a good first step is to verify the integrity of your game files through the game client. This often resolves common problems. For more persistent issues, consult the official Marvel Rivals support page, which offers solutions for frequently asked questions and technical difficulties. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.